What's up, guys? Excuse the noise. Beautiful Monday night. November 12th. Taco Bell. Another Taco Bell edition. Hope everybody's doing well out tonight. Just wanted to show you this hood right here. As we're cleaning, you can hear Tony out there getting it cleaned. He's out there pressure cleaning the filters. Oh man, we've done broke in the place. This one not too bad. We do everything by hand on these. Just another hood. This is the 6th one that we've done. We'll have 4 to go after tonight. And that'll close us out for this year until May of next year. This account had for a very long time. Very appreciative, very good company to work for. It's franchise. It's a franchise. I got 10 stores in our area. As you can see, it's the last time. Y'all can see that. Last time we serviced May, June of this year, and servicing for November, December of 2018. It's November. We'll have all the stores done in November, and we'll be back 6 months later. There you have it.
Burn the motherfucker down! Them don't kill that motherfucker. Let them all be empty. And burn it down. Ain't nobody working. What you ready? You done helped everybody out. Everybody getting on the floor.
Oh, you're talking about Twin Peaks.
Yeah!
The guy comes in there trying to blow the place up.
He showed their ass this. Give me my motherfucking 7-plate picture.
I've never been in there. You know, I rode by, just got off work one day when that was happening. I saw fire shooting out the top of that building. Hey, they put it back up quick, though.
Yeah. I know the dude that worked in there. He was up there when it happened.
He tried to blow it up with propane tanks, right? Oh, my goodness.
He did. He shot one of them motherfuckers. You heard me? That's what he did. He was with the bitch and throw them out in there and shot one of them motherfuckers. But it could have been worse than what it was. He had way more propane tanks.
That's Tony, everyone. I don't know if y'all have seen him in past videos. Tony been working with me off and on for, what, 10 years?
Ever since 2008.
2008. We've had some many exciting nights.
Yeah, you can say that. The old witness days.
Yeah. That's it right there, guys.
That's all you need to know. I'm lethal with a pressure washer.
Yeah, we'll tell that story.
I ain't gonna tell you. I just say I'm lethal. That's all.
Finished. Back within the code. NFP 96, which is the National Fire Protection Agency, which sets standards for these hood systems. They need to be cleaned. Depending on volume, depending on what you cook. Obviously, Taco Bell, you know, they have fryers right here. They don't do a lot of frying. You know, they got burgers and stuff like that. Steak places obviously get done more, but you know, these places get done. Taco Bells get done twice a year. Getting ready to put a new sticker on. Let's put a sticker on. I also put a sticker on, and I also send certificate of performances as well with the invoices when we finish all the stores. So the stores actually have, each individual store will have a sticker like this, and a little Vet Tough logo on there, and they'll have a sticker like that, and they'll also have a certificate that I just made with Google Drive, and just a certificate stating when service had been completed at each individual store. That stupid door on the back. Are you kidding me? So that's it, guys. Another hood cleaning. Took about 2 hours on this one. wasn't too bad. It looks like they had cleaned it. This one's usually kind of dirty. It looks like they sometimes the employees, management or upper management will have them wipe them down. They might have an inspection coming through corporate or something like that. It just makes our job easier. They don't, they don't get, back behind the filters, and obviously, so, but they'll wipe